7, you said? Was it 7? Okay. So 7 is what? So today is the 5th, isn't it? And 1 minus x divided by 2x plus 6 greater than 0. What type of inequality? Obviously, this is an inequality. What type of inequality is this? What type? Of course, once I have x in the denominator and I see a fraction line and x in the denominator, it must be rational. It can be combined with something else, but not in our case. Okay, it is a rational inequality. Is it table ready, chart ready? So the answer is yes. As long as on this side I have a product or ratio of factors, and this side I have 0, the inequality is chart ready. So I have x, I have 1 minus x, I have 2x plus 6, and then I have the ratio, 1 minus x over 2x plus 6. And I cannot stress enough, our final exam is a week from today. I will be here starting from roughly 1:30-ish, 2 o'clock. You can come in any time. I will be here between roughly 2 till 9 p.m.
For our final.
From 2 to 9. Yes.
What's
And you
it
have-
again? Say all that again.
So if you need anything, or if you want to start early, if you want to leave early, and you have 2 hours for the final.
So we can come in at 2.
You can come in at 2 if you want. Okay? So please do not miss the final, because I have to calculate the grade with 0 for the final exam. So please don't do that to me, please. Yes?
If we can do like every problem this revision again.
Yeah, we started last time.
No,
We
I'm
did.
saying if we like know how to do every problem here.
I would
Fine,
still,
fine, fine.
so your final exam will look exact. This was what my students wanted last spring.
Okay.
They didn't want that from my math lab. They said, no, don't copy that. Don't print that out. In your case, all the tests were like that. So I'm assuming you're going to want the same thing like we had all tests.
No,
So
I want this.
Yeah.
See?
I'm not tracking what she's saying today.
see?
All right.
Okay.
I'm just.
So I would highly recommend redo all the tests at least 10 times between now and Wednesday, and then you'll be solid. You'll have no difficulties. I also offer a review session, but it's just questions and answers on Saturday here from 11 to 12:30. You're not obligated to show up. But I'm just saying, please do not miss the final exam. It's next Wednesday. If you call me on Wednesday at 9 p.m. and say, I missed the final, can I take it tomorrow? The answer is no. Because I can't do that to the other people. So please do not miss the final, a week from today. Okay, so x is a variable in the problem, so it's negative infinity to infinity. And please do not, please make sure you finish all the My Math Lab, because otherwise you'll get all the zeros and your grade will go lower. So between now and let's say Sunday, Monday, please finish up all My Math Lab so you don't get the zeros. Today, okay, Sunday.
What, this Sunday?
I have to post the grades.
I thought you said.
You said
I thought you
last
said
day
till
of class.
Wednesday. I thought you
Yeah.
said we had till Wednesday to finish my math lab.
That's fine, till
That's
Wednesday.
cool.
But Thursday morning, I have to post the
That's
grades.
fine. Oh, all right, cool.
Okay, one more day.
All right.
Fine. Whatever.
I'm just trying to help all my fellow classmates. I'm trying to get through that. I'm trying to get.
I think the review is important, don't you think?
I think. the
Okay.
math lab-
So 1 minus x is 0 when x.
Balance.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's not waste the time. I got it. It's till Wednesday. Got it. Got it. Let's come back. Okay, x equals 1. For 2x plus 6 equals 0. Do not take my 230, okay? So x equals negative. I'm kidding, Joseph. Okay, so this is negative 3 and 1. This is 0 and this is 0. Okay, what do we put for the fraction under negative 3? When x is negative 3, what can you say about the function? What will the function or the ratio be?
Oh, this is that error.
Say it again.
Are you asking about the error, like which way it goes?
No. I'm asking what to write under -3 for the ratio. Obviously, we have not reviewed much for today.
Zero. Four minus three, right?
No, I'm asking you to plug in -3 and tell me what to write under -3. I have to write something for
Is
the
it 4?
ratio. Say it again.
4,
Minus three minus one.
1
Oh, minus
plus
one.
3
One minus
is
minus
4.
three. That's 4. Right.
Yes.
-3 times 2 is -6 plus 6 is 0. So
Okay.
4 divided by 0.
Which is?
Zero.
4. 1 million.
I'm on strike.
Unicorn. I don't.
You know what? Just let me go find a way. Just give us
I'm going home.
a divided by.
She's saying. Okay, so what do we put on the -3?
I feel like this is a setup.
4 divided by 0.
What is it?
4
It's
divided
an
by
error.
0. Oh, define? Oh.
Under 1, what
God
do I
bless.
put under 1?
Go over here.
What do I put under 1?
0.
Thank you. So what is the sign for 1 minus x? Before it gets to 0. So I do hope that I do not see this on the final exam. I will put minus 10 points.
Oh.
That's the whole.
I hope I don't see this.
The problem ain't even worth 10 points.
Okay, I'm going to take -20 then.
Oh.
Okay, so the sign for 1 minus x between -infinity and 1. Not possible. It's a negative leading coefficient, which looks like this. Of course, plug in a number. You don't have to think in those terms if you don't want to. Just plug in a number, of course.
Wait, huh? I don't remember this. I do. But
So positive over negative is negative, positive over positive is positive, and negative over positive is negative. So now we're asking ourselves, what sign do I pick? What sign is greater than 0? And there are only 2 signs, and only one of them is greater than 0, which is positive. So this is positive? Yes, it is, for x between -3 and 1. So x in the interval -3 and 1. So how much is 4 divided by 0? Thank you. Very good. Next problem, next question. Anything else? Say it again. You will, specifically will. I'll make sure that you get -20. I'll find a reason.
Why?
Yes, number 4. Okay, let's take a look at number 4. I'm kidding, Joseph, I'm kidding. Yes, number 4. Didn't we do it last time?
We might have, but let's do it again.
Yeah.
yeah, we did.
Here it is. So first we identify the domain. So the domain of this, it didn't work? It didn't work. Okay. So the first one is x less than 1. It's still not working. Why isn't it working?
Are the cords loose?
No. Oh, we just did this, didn't we?
Everyone gets an A.
Good. then I don't have to grade. This is my dream. This is my dream when everyone gets an A and I don't have to worry about anything. I don't have to sit there and say, how can I give more points here? He wrote +1. He wrote 4/0 is 0. What should I do?
Should call home to his parents.
Yeah, call the parents. Yeah. I don't know what happened.
I'm sorry, you can just write it.
My system is down here.
Probably just need to move some things around.
I didn't even touch anything.
Yeah, just do a little shimmy. Are you trying to get the projector to work?
Yeah.
I don't even look like the projector's on right now. You got a little red flashing light. Yeah, that's why.
Yeah, everything's on.
Is it on?
No.
It's on.
Yes, yeah. Inside the closet, it's not the. Yeah, that's it. It's inside the closet. There you go. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it takes a while.
Yeah, you have to inside the closet.
Don't press anything because otherwise, who knows what's happening.
What's that?
What I do is plug.
Yeah, that's it.
I got you.
Let's see if it works.
It's on
Just
the
wait.
wall. You gotta have a white one.
Yeah, there you go.
There we go. Got a great luck.
Yes, nice. That's +5. Yeah.
That's +5.
Yeah.
The whole class.
Effort.
You should go for law.
Effort.
Forget about math. You should
Everybody
go
was
for
here
law.
today. +5. I agree with that.
You should become lawyers.
I'll win all my kids.
What do you think the problem is, though?
This one is working.
You had it on.
Yeah. You gotta leave it for control.
Give it a sec.
Give it a time.
Okay, I'm giving it a second.
This one's on. This is fun.
It's locked.
Who got
No.
It says brain lock. You might have pressed the button that locks.
Uh-huh. This is off.
See?
frame like that? It's long.
This one has a light.
There must be a button.
Well, why? Why would it do that? It has never happened before.
We'll take the day off.
Sorry, I kind of need this.
No, we can take
I
a
was
day.
joking. I said I need this. I need this in my life.